Welcome to WebSolvers. In this video, I will guide you through how to run Python in Visual Studio Code. First of all, you need to install Python for Windows from official website and Visual Studio Code. Search Python, go to official website. From downloads, download it for Windows and install it. Then you can search Visual Studio Code, go to its official website, download it for Windows and install it. So once we have installed Python and then Visual Studio Code, then we can open Visual Studio Code. I have installed Python. To verify that, open terminal, type Python -- version, and it shows me that Python is installed in this system. So to run it in Visual Studio Code, click this icon and go to extensions. Type Python. Click this result, Python. Install it. It's installed. Close it. Now open a Python file or create new Python file. Let's save it first. Let's name it hello.py. So this is Python file, hello.py. Type Python code in it, print hello, this is Python program, save it. Now simply right click in Visual Studio Code and from Run Python, select Run Python file in terminal. And this is the output from the program. Python program output is being displayed in the terminal in Visual Studio Code. And this is how you can run Python programs in Visual Studio Code. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.